Want your space to look expensive without the clutter? Let's start with what most people ignore. The windows. Cheap curtains can make even a designer sofa look like it's from a thrift store, but get this right, and your whole room levels up. Monochrome does and boring. Play with texture like these linen drapes against matte walls. Linen isn't just for clothes. It diffuses light like a French calf, no harsh shadows. See this? No bulky hardware, just clean lines that make your ceilings look higher. Pro tip: hang curtains above the window frame. It's an architect's oldest trick. Less stuff, more style. Click the link and use code EASYLIFE15 for 15% off, because minimalism shouldn't cost a fortune.